Okay, beta. We are going to start the next topic and next question. Before the starting of next topic, next question, we are going to just explain discount. Okay, if the discount is given in transaction, so how we are going to utilize this discount in our entry. Two type of discount is there. One is the trade discount and second is the cash discount. When we are talking about the trade discount, we are not going to show in a entry. Only the amount will less from the trade discount. As like that, if any purchase 40,000 rupees and 10% trade discount. Okay, just less this amount 10% and 36,000. We are going to do the entry for the 36,000. Okay, beta, purchase account debit to cash. If purchase account debit to cash, that amount is 36,000. Maybe entry in credit, purchase account debit to monies, maybe. But only we are using this 36,000. It means trade discount we are not going to show in entry. Okay, beta, clear? Now, next, cash discount. Cash discount, situation based discount. When any terminology is there or terms and conditions there, so we are going to pay the cash and take the cash discount. This cash discount we are going to show. Cash discount, if is cash discount like a nominal account. Okay, beta. If it's the expense, then debit. If it's the income, then credit. It means if we are giving the discount, that is the expense or loss, that debit. If we are receiving the discount, on that time it's a credit. As like that, we are going to sell the goods. Okay, so entry beta, cash account debit to sell. On the time of sale, you are going to discount. You are given the discount, Mr. Loss. It means entry is cash account debit, discount account debit to sales. Just maybe 80,000 sales there, 10% cash discount, 8,072. Beta, on this way we have returned. If purchase is there, then purchase account debit to cash and to discount. Beta, because on the time of purchase, we are receiving the discount. Okay, beta, we are receiving the discount, and if we are receiving the discount, it means it's an income for us. Okay, beta, it's a income from us. So it's a income means credit. Okay, just think maybe 80,000, 72,000, 8,000. When we are received cash from anyone, when we have received cash from anyone and we are going to discount, it's again debit, cash account debit, discount account debit to his name is there. We are paying to anyone, the name of that person, then to cash and to discount. One trick is there, where if cash is debit, discount is debit. If cash is credit, discount is credit. It's a trick only. Don't think it's a rule. It's a trick only, beta. Okay. Now I'm going to start the question. Question number 3 in my book, 4 in your book. Okay, beta. Okay. First is goods sold to Dev. Goods sold to Dev. We are going to sell the goods and name is there. Name is credit. Cash is not given, is credit. Okay. So we are going to sell Dev. One is there. Dev is what? Dev is the personal account. He is receiving. Dev will debit. Beta. Dev account. Dev debit to sales. Okay. Generation. Good sold to Dev. And amount 1 lakh, 1 lakh. Okay, clear? Go for the next. In next, receive from them a full settlement of his account 98,000. It's not a cash discount. we are receiving the amount only 98,000. It means we are given the discount, beta. It means we are given the discount. We are given the discount. We have received the cash. We have received the cash. Only cash account debit. We are receiving the cash. Cash coming the business. What's coming debit? That 98,000 discount you are given. Discount account debit. Given this expense debit 2,000, and you have to receive which amount from there. 1 lakh cash received from there. But it's a narration, and after every narration we are going to take one line in only in particular column. Okay, beta. Go for the next. Goods sold to Manmohan. Okay, again sell. Sell means sell will credit, Manmohan will debit. Manmohan debit to sales goods sold. Okay, what amount is there? 80,000. Then line next. Manmohan returned goods. Manmohan returns goods 1,000 beta. Manmohan returns goods from 1,000. Goods return means sales return. Account debit. Sales will debit beta. To Manmohan goods return 1,000. 1,000. Okay, clear? Then go for the next. Receive from Manmohan from full settlement of his account. Again we are receiving from Manmohan for full settlement. Okay, we are receiving cash. It means cash account debit because we are receiving. Okay, beta. Then discount we are given. Discount account debit to Manmohan, and he is given only 78,000 beta. And what amount we have to receive? 80,000 we are going to sell. 1,000 is a return. It means 79,000. It means 1,000 is what? Discount. We have to receive 79,000. But we are receiving only 78,000. It means 1,000 is what beta? It's a discount. Okay? Clear? Then go for the next. Receive cash from Ram and discount allowed. Receive cash from Ram and discount allowed. Just wait, one more from this side. I'm dividing this point because by this good question is coming on board only. One time, no need to erase. Here, cash received from Ram and discount allowed. We are receiving cash from Ram. Cash received with cash account debit. Discount you are given, discount account debit to Ram. What amount you are receiving, beta? 19,500 in cash, 19,500 discount, 500 is given, total is 20,000. Cash received. Okay. Then next, paid cash to Pawan and discount received from him amount is 4,700, 300. We are going to pay. Then common account debit, common debit to cash discount. Okay, 4,700 distinct, 300 discount. This means total amount is cash to pay. Okay, clear? Then go for next. Sold goods to Varun of the list price 25,000, 20% trade discount. Okay, this trade discount we are not going to show. Okay, sold means Varun David to sales. Goods sold. 25% is, sorry, 25,000 is value of the selling, 20% discount. Just calculate 20% of 25,000, that is the 5,000. That amount will less from this transaction. Then remaining amount is 20,000. Just see, only we are written this 20,000, nothing else. The trade discount directly less from there. The trade discount directly less from there. Okay, that trade discount we are not going to show. Only cash discount we are going to show. Okay, clear? With all the entry for the question number 4. Then totaling, start totaling. First page totaling. Then 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 2,80,000, and 3,60,000. Then on changing of the pen, changing of the page, we are going to take the total of that page and write down total CD, and this to take outside total BD 3,60,000, 3,60,000. Okay, beta. Then 2020 4 lakh, and then 4 lakh. It's a grand total. Okay. On this way, we are going to do the all transaction to the entry. In this question, we are going to see the discount. Discount, if discount is came, discount we are received. Then income, credit, we are going to pay that expense, debit. Okay, beta. On this way, we are solving the question. Okay.